Welcome to PlantSim Training. This is the starter course for anyone who is interested in learning about modeling. Don't worry, you can be a complete beginner for this course. After this course, if you would like to continue learning, please visit our course catalog to get the full list of training topics offered, or simply contact us via our website at simulationdynamics.com. In this beginner course, we will be using a Siemens product called Plant Simulation, version 2404. We'll briefly discuss why simulation. We'll talk about plant simulation, where to download, and getting started. Then we'll open PlantSim and immediately provide you with helpful tips and resources. And after that, we'll explore PlantSim and learn the layout. Next, we'll touch on 2D and 3D models and visualizations inside of PlantSim. And then finally, we'll build our first model together. And I will show you how to quickly build a model that incorporates many of the objects and ideas we will discuss. So, let's get started.